Did you know the US is building a bomber so advanced it can fly undetected over entire continents? Meet the B-21 Raider, the next-generation stealth bomber set to redefine air warfare. Today we're covering everything about the B-21 Raider, from how it started to why it still matters. This is the most advanced bomber in the world, and it's just getting started. And wait until you hear what happened during its first real test, a moment that stunned even the most seasoned engineers. The need for a new stealth bomber became urgent in the 2010s, as China and Russia developed advanced radar and missile systems that could track and destroy the aging B-2 Spirit. In 2015, the U.S. Air Force officially launched the Long-Range Strike Bomber program, with Northrop Grumman as the prime contractor, a company with a 40-year history in stealth technology. The goal was clear: build a bomber that could survive in a contested environment, fly 6,000 miles without refueling, and carry 40,000 pounds of precision-guided weapons. With a wingspan of 172 feet, larger than a Boeing 737, the B-21 would be the largest stealth aircraft ever built, but also the most survivable. But turning this idea into reality would prove far harder than anyone imagined, with delays, budget overruns, and a global pandemic slowing progress. The B-21's development faced major engineering challenges, especially integrating AI into its stealth systems to autonomously adjust its profile mid-flight. Northrop Grumman had to develop new composite materials and advanced radar-absorbent coatings, some of which had never been tested in real-world conditions. The first prototype rolled out in 2022, but testing was delayed due to a $2.5 billion cost overrun and a 12-month setback caused by supply chain issues. Despite the setbacks, the first test flight in 2023 was a success. The B-21 reached speeds of Mach 0.85 and performed a full weapons simulation. After years of development, it was finally time to prove itself, and the Air Force had big plans for the future. The first operational B-21s are expected to enter service in 2025, with the Air Force planning to build over 100 of them at a cost of $620 million each. Each B-21 can carry up to 40,000 pounds of precision-guided weapons, including the new Long-Range Standoff (LRSO) nuclear missile. With a range of 6,000 miles and a top speed of Mach 0.85, the B-21 can strike anywhere in the world without needing mid-air refueling. Pilots and engineers have praised the B-21's performance, calling it the most intuitive stealth aircraft I've ever flown. But the real test was yet to come, as the B-21 was deployed to its first overseas base in 2025, marking a new era in global air power. The B-21's first real test came in 2026 during a joint exercise with NATO forces, where it successfully evaded all simulated enemy radar systems. During the exercise, the B-21 flew undetected for over 8 hours, a record for a stealth aircraft, and delivered simulated strikes with 99% accuracy. Operators were stunned by the B-21's AI capabilities, which autonomously adjusted its stealth profile in real time to avoid detection. The B-21's performance in the field led to immediate upgrades, including new software that improved its radar evasion by 30%. Enemy forces responded by deploying new radar systems and electronic warfare tactics, but the B-21 remained undetected in most engagements. So what's the lasting impact of the B-21 Raider? It's not just a bomber, it's a game-changer in the future of air warfare. The B-21 has influenced the design of next-generation stealth aircraft, including the U.S. Navy's new stealth fighter and the Air Force's next-gen drone. Currently, the B-21 is in active development, with the first operational models expected to enter service in 2025, and production to continue through the 2030s. The B-21 has also captured the public imagination, appearing in documentaries, books, and even a new video game about modern warfare. Was the B-21 worth the investment? With a price tag of $620 million per unit and a projected cost of $100 billion for 100 aircraft, only time will tell. The B-21 Raider is more than just a bomber, it's the future of stealth warfare, and it's just getting started. Which military subject should we deep dive next? Comment below and subscribe for more.